you're seeing my face for the first time, this is Amanda's cooking channel. Here we do a lot of cooking on this channel, help people who already know how to cook, and kind of like help people who do not know how to cook as well. Alright, so basically today we're going to be doing something simple. I hear someone say, if I say that's simple, yes, we're doing something really simple. I want to show you how to make eba using Nigerian gari flour. So there are basically a lot of methods that people use, about 3 methods that I know, but I'll simply choose 2 methods now, and then hopefully if you know of any other method, please leave it in the comments section below. It's as simple as that, okay? Alright, so I'll just quickly show you the things I'll be using to make my eba. Alright, if you are watching and not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, do all those good stuff. I've got a couple of other videos, please watch them, and I'll see you later.
Alright guys, so this is the boiling water that I'll be using to make my eba. I had to do a voice over here because I noticed that my voice was really down, because it was in the morning. So this is the boiling water. I have got 2 kettles, one here, one there. The water has to boil properly before you go ahead to use it. So this is the gari flour, okay, made from cassava. Like I said, it's made from cassava. This is my water again. I'll just and then this is my gari that I'll be using to make the eba. Okay, so you can use eba to eat different kind of soup. You can use for okra, egusi soup. It depends on the kind of soup you want. So I'll just quickly turn my water into, I'm using my kitchen sink, into the bowl that I'll be using to make the eba. I'll turn it in gradually. Make sure the water is properly hot, or boiling water as it were. Okay, and then you turn into the bowl that you'll be using to make the eba, and then get your gari. Okay, so this is my gari. This is the gari I'll be using. Bit by bit, you take the gari bit by bit and pour into the hot water, the boiling water rather. Just pour in gradually. If you want it soft, you put small. If you want it hard, you put a lot, okay? That's pidgin I just used here. So you add gradually, bit by bit, okay? And then it depends on how soft or hard you want it to be. Just keep adding until the whole water is covered properly with the gari. So this is the first method, like I said, that we're using. Okay, so this is the first method you make in a bowl. So after putting the gari and it has covered, you put some on top, just the way you are seeing now, to kind of help you to mix properly. So I'll be mixing now with my eba turner. So this thing, the stick I'm using, this stick is called eba turner. We used to mix the gari. Yes, just keep mixing, okay, and then you check if it's too hard. Okay, you check if it's too hard, you can add a little bit of water to make it soft, as we go on. So this is the first method in a bowl. The second method, you put your water into a boiling pot as it is on the fire right now. Let it boil for as you would want to normally use in the bowl type, and then you start adding gari into it gradually while the pot is on fire. You add your gari and then you stir. Okay, you put in your gari. This is method 2. You put in your gari and then you stir. You put in your gari and you stir until it is as the consistency you want. If it's thick one you want, or you want hard one, you put as much gari as you want your eba to turn out. Okay, so you just keep stirring the way you see now. Stir, mix together properly until you are satisfied with the outcome of the eba. So this is method 2. You check to see, just keep stirring, obviously keep stirring whilst the pot is on fire. Take note of that. So I'll just quickly show you the end product of the 2. So this first one you're seeing now is the eba made with a bowl. This particular one here is the one made with a bowl, and then this second one was the one that I made from the pot on the fire. So both of them are usually nice. They are good. It depends on the one you want to go. There are other methods. People use microwave as well to make eba, but these are the 2 I'll be using particularly in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, gotcha.
Alright guys, so these are the 2 basic methods, like I said, that I used to make this eba. You can make it in the microwave as well. Now it's possible some Nigerians are like, something as simple as this, why do you have to teach us how to make eba? It's of great essence because I noticed lately a lot of people researching to know how eba is made. So these are the 2 basic methods that I have used now. The first method is what I use often. You hardly see people who use the second method, that's putting hot water on fire and putting your gari there and making the eba. Alright, thank you so much for watching something as simple as this. Hopefully in my next video I'll come up with something really interesting as my other videos. Please watch my other videos, I'll link them up here. Watch them, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a lovely day.